Hi there, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. Today I'm talking about shoulder issues, and we have a lot of patients that come in with rotator cuff tendonitis, and that's a condition where the ball and socket's not working right, and then the tendons and the tissues can get stuck in between the ball and the socket. Basically, the tendon gets pinched, inflammation develops, and it's painful, especially to raise the arm up sideways into abduction or raising the arm up overhead to reach for something. We also see frozen shoulders where the shoulder's stuck and it can't move in any direction. And then we see conditions like AC joint separations where somebody's fallen with an outstretched arm and there's pain right on that bump on the top. We do chiropractic adjustments to realign and restore the function of the shoulder. Do that by hands-on manual manipulation as well as instruments to adjust the shoulder. We do shockwave and laser to promote the healing of the tissues, and then we give patients exercises and strengthening so it can prevent re-injury of the shoulder. If you're interested in coming to our clinic, please click on the link in the bio. We are accepting new patients now. We bill directly to insurance, including ICBC, and no doctor referral is needed. Usually we can see patients the same or the next day. So if you need help, give us a call. I'd be happy to help you.